Okay, well this is the experiment. So I'm using a large washer, which is about 1 1/8, right? And this small one here, which is about 2 centimeters. Okay, so I'm using them, and I glued. Let me just show you from the start. So I glued 3 together like that. I glued 3 of these together as well, like this, with super glue. I cut out these from a cardboard. It's just a normal cardboard. Put these out, which just go over that. Now I'm on the experiment at the moment because I don't even know if this is going to work. So this, ignore this. This is just, I haven't got a small enough washer there, so I'm just using this piece here. So the idea is then to put one of these in first, then one of these, then another one of these. So it goes like that. Next one should be the small one like this. And the next one should be another one of these. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a metal washer there. That's good enough there to go in like that. So if you can see that. And basically I'm going to fix this like this, super glue this inside here all around. Hopefully that it will go hard, this cardboard. But before I do that, I'm gonna put a floss from here and bring it out in there. So the floss is gonna be there, so when I actually make this thing, it should be easier indeed. That's the plan. You can see the mechanism is working right now. I have not put it into some form. The only thing I'm going to do now is put it into a bucket like this, which is a Play-Doh bucket, and we'll see how it works with there. This is a pull string thing that I've seen on YouTube, and nobody really explains how this is done. I've seen somebody has made something with a 3D printer. We don't have a 3D printer, so we have to design one ourselves. As you can see, I've used what do you call it, washers like this, and I put three on one side, 3 on the other side, and I use a cardboard. I use this cardboard to separate between the washers. So have a look at that very carefully. That's what I've done, and obviously put a bolt through. I put a Volcano thing to hold it there, and a couple of chopsticks to put that on like that, and see it working now. So if you want to make one of these, super glued all this lot here, want to make one of these, you can do. It's not really a good design, I would say. I think there can be more improvement in the sense that this can go up and down more easily, and probably made out of wood or something like that. But the idea for me is to see how it worked, and it was really good. Good little toy that I saw on YouTube, and I thought I got to know how this works. It's really, to me, it's really good that it's actually, oops. As you saw, that it snapped, and I've experimented with this quite a bit now, but I've got better ideas, and I think I'll build another one with a better design, and I know that one will work better than this one did. It was very stiff to try and pull down, but the idea was that it was a double spoon toy which I saw, and I'll post a link if I can find it of where I saw it, and it's Tim. He's very good with his little toys and stuff like that, so I'll post that link. But you can see string and things and stuff like that, what they call it, string and things. And you know, the fact that it worked, I was quite surprised. I forgot to mention something though. This floss goes right to the bottom, and one spool is wound one way, the other one's wound the other way. And what you got to understand is, I realized that the big spool is the one that should be pulled on to pull the thing up, and the small one to let it go down again. So you got to wind this the right way and stuff like that. So I will design another one, and I will try and get another one. I couldn't obviously put it in my little pot. I thought, well, you know, stick it in a pot, let the pot go up and down, whatever you want to call it. It's the best thing I could think of. You could get a ball or something like that, but yeah, I'm thinking of to improve this, should I say, and so it's more sturdy, more stable, and easy to pull up and down, and anybody can actually make it. It's been a long project. It's been a project for a long time, you know, and I'm going to achieve what I said I will achieve with this project. Hope you enjoyed, and hope that you'll have a go one day, or if you come up with a better design, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. I haven't got a 3D printer, you see. That's the whole thing. The 3D printer, there is a gentleman that gives you all the design stuff and everything else with a 3D printer. I haven't got a 3D printer, so I have to invent something or think about how it works and design it. Thank you for your patience and me waffling on there, and thank you for watching. Hope you'll subscribe and maybe even have a go and improve this even better. Take care.